Alright, so this is Socrative. This is what you will be doing the after lesson activity on. This is the teacher's side of it, and this is the student's side of it. The teacher is going to go to quizzes, click on the simple compound sentences review, go to next, and go to instant feedback. This is what the teacher will see. The students' names when they log in will show up here. And then all their answers for the 4 questions will show up. Right here is the students, so they'll go to student login, type in the room name bustle, type in their own name, and then start taking the quiz. So the first one is choose the simple sentence. The answer to this one is B, I rode my bike. Next question, I like dogs and cats is a compound sentence, true or false? This one is false. So see there, it shows up green if it's right and then red if it's wrong. Then you need to write a compound sentence. And finally write a simple sentence. These sentences will be teacher graded, so in order to look at that, you just click on the number and you can see what both students wrote. Then go back to the results. And when you're done, you just click finish and go to the launch. And then it's done.